Hi, this is Ivona from CNX. In this video, I will demonstrate how to access and navigate through the Valence 5 portal. For best results, when using Valence 5, you should verify that you are using the latest version of Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, or the Google Chrome browser. The final screen of the Valence installer will show you the URL that you can use to access the Valence portal login. I will log into the desktop portal here on one of our test systems at cnxtest.cnxcorp.com. The first thing that I want to point out on the login screen is that you can select one of 9 languages. I will keep Valence portal in English for now. When I log in, I can see the Launchpad, which has icons for each app I'm authorized to launch. To add an app to the Favorites area, click on the star next to the app name. As an example, I will choose Portal Admin and Instance Manager as my favorites. Clicking on the star icon next to the Valence logo allows you to see and navigate to all of your favorite apps quickly. To remove an app from your favorites, either click on the star again or go to your favorites list and remove the app directly from there. You can also rearrange apps in the favorites list by dragging them to the desired position. Let's open up Portal Admin. Many Valence apps have an app navigation drawer accessible by this icon in the upper left. For example, in Portal Admin, clicking the App Navigation drawer will let me navigate to Settings, Users, Apps, etc. Now let's open a second app. There are several ways to launch another app in the Valence portal. The first way is to click the Valence logo to return to the Launchpad. I'll start an Active Sessions app as an example. The second way to launch another app is to use Portal Drawer. The available apps are listed here in the same order as they appear in the Launchpad. You can also manage your favorite apps here by clicking on the star next to the app name. I'll start the Instance Manager app as an example. The third way to launch an app is to use the Portal Search. As you type in the search field, app names that match the typed characters will begin to appear. Simply click on the one you want to open. Clicking the icon of the currently running app will allow you to switch between all open apps. You can make any app in the Valence portal go full screen by clicking here. Hover the mouse over the top area of the screen to exit full screen or close the app. You can see the list of all currently running apps by clicking here. Click any entry in the list to switch to that app, or click the X to close the app. You can see by default there are a few different categories in the Valence portal: Administration, Utilities, Documentation, and Examples. In Portal Admin, you can edit or add these categories and move the apps around between them. Let's click the Portal Navigation drawer in the upper left corner to log out. Now I will show you what the portal looks like in a different language. As you can see, all the page literals as well as the error messages have changed. I will log in again so you can see that the app names have changed. Here you can also see that the language has changed in Portal Admin. Let's log out and switch back to English for the rest of the video. Let's go back to the portal drawer. In addition to launching apps, you can also lock the screen, switch between environments, and access your user settings. Let's take a closer look at the user settings area. The most important setting is the portal mode. By default, the portal will operate in modern mode. To change the portal operation to classic mode, click here. Let's save this setting. I need to log out and back on to change the portal mode, so I will do it now. When you switch to classic mode, the portal will launch apps into tabs. I'll launch a few different apps as an example. Now you can see that I can switch between apps just by clicking the tab. The Launchpad is initially shown as the first tab. You can drag any of the tabs around to reorder them. CNX recommends the modern mode so that you have more room for your apps. In classic mode, the tabs take up some additional vertical room, so there's less space for your apps. Let's look at some other items in the user settings area. You can change the Valence theme and also set up apps to auto-start when logging in. Let's say one of your primary jobs is to administer the portal, add users, change security settings, etc. You might want to auto-start the Portal Admin app when you log in. Search for Portal Admin in the search box on top and click the app to add it to the Auto Start menu. You can remove apps from the Auto Start menu by clicking X in the upper right corner. Also on this menu, you can find the About window, which has important information, including the Valence Framework version number and the copyright information.